Valley Trading Co., the Australian distributors of CowBoy industrial sewing machines and leather machines. Just going to give you a quick demonstration of how to use the bobbin winder on your CowBoy 4500. Bring your thread through this little hole at the back of the guide here, around the tension disc, and through the hole at the front. And just make sure the thread snaps in there underneath or in between the tension discs. Bring it over here through this little guide, and then on your bobbin there's a little hole at each end. So on one end you want to bring the thread and poke it through that little hole, and then on the other end, that little hole will just go on this. There's a little tiny peg here which this hole fits over the top of to set it in place. And then just snap that one down, hold on to your thread. Important point to remember, don't have your needle threaded at this time for any reason, unless you want to be sewing at the same time, but don't just have it going up and down. So hold on to this and press the accelerator pedal, and it'll wind the thread onto your bobbin. So once it's finished, you just take it off, cut your thread, and insert it back into your bobbin case to keep on sewing. It's pretty handy if you make the most of your two-place thread stand by having 2 rolls of thread going, and then you can just thread your bobbin while you're sewing. Just stick it on there and just keep on working, and it'll have your bobbin threaded ready for when you need it.